Hey guys, it's Damnology here again, aka Gen Z, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a simple real estate flyer on Pixellab. Okay, so first, all the resources you're going to be using in this video is not linked in the description below. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe and click a like button. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to bring in the color and the background. Okay, you want to bring in the color of the color we are going to be using. We are going to pick the color and then we're going to bring in the background image. Just click on plus and click on sorry, click on from gallery to bring in the image. So we brought in the color I want to use. Now let's bring in the image that is going to be our main background. Okay, and again just click on plus and click on from gallery. So this is the image you are going to be using for the main background. So what you want to do is you want to come here and select this one by one. So that is going to be a part that we're going to choose. Good. Now just enlarge this to fill the whole screen. And come here, relative position. And then lock the layer. Good. Now come here and change the main background to white. Good. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to create a shape down here. So make sure this shape just touches the edges here, and then make the radius 10. You can just bring it down here. Open the grid and then click on that magnet tool. Good. Then change the color to the light gold. So you can pick the color. So to pick the color, you just click on this plus icon here. Click on, let me go back. Click on this eyedropper tool. And then click on the image and just select the part of it that I want to select the color, and that's all. And then come to stroke, make the stroke 5 and make the stroke color the dark blue. So to get the dark blue, click on plus, click on the eyedropper tool, click on the image and then select the dark blue. Good. So let's lock that down. Sorry, we're going to change the color to blue, complete blue, and remove the stroke completely. And then you can enlarge it to make sure it fits relative position, center, and then you can just adjust it down here and then lock the layer. Good. Now we're going to bring in another one, another shape. Need to make it a bit small. This is going to be where this is going to be at the top here. Make the color dark also. Then you're going to copy it again, put it at the back, lock the one at the top, and then change the color to the light gold. Good. Lock that one, and then this one that we did here, copy it again and do the same thing that you did for the top. For that one again, copy it, bring it to the back, and then change the color. And then just adjust it and put it right there. Good. Now we want to create our gradients. Okay, so the gradient is going to be somewhat faded to the back. It's going to be somewhat faded to the back. So click on plus, click on shapes, and then you're going to come here. You can actually change the gradients here or somewhere else, but it is better for you to change the gradient here. So click on gradient, click on plus. To change the color, click on this and then click on this color tool here, and then you are going to drag this one to the extreme end here and click on OK, and then you're going to click on this one again, click on this one, and then you're going to come here and click on this eyedropper tool and select the dark blue, click on OK, and then click on this one. Just adjust it a bit. That's good. So just adjust it. I want it to actually kind of cover the whole image, so put it there. Good. Now you drag it to the top of that image itself. So just lock all the layers. To lock the layers, you just have to click on this padlock icon here, and then you lock all the layers. Okay, so that is the basic shape. Now you want to create another shape entirely. So what you want to do is you just click on shapes and drag it and just put it here. So this is where the price is going to be. This is where the price is going, and then change the color to gold. Good. So now this is just the basic template for what we want to do. Now what we want to do now is to add the text. Okay, so add the first text, home for sale. The font you are going to be using is Metropolis Bold. Change the alignment to left alignment. Select this one. And then come and change the color to light. Good. So that is done. Now we want to bring in the logo. So if you've not watched the video on how to create a logo, do go and watch it. And that is the logo that we're going to be bringing in now. So just go to your image, go to gallery, the image that the logo that I downloaded with a transparent background, that is what you're going to be bringing in here. So this is the logo that we created and we brought it in now. So what thing you want to do, you want to change the color of the logo to light, because you're going to be putting it on a blue background, so you want it to be light. So change the color, click on enable, and then click on that light gold. So just adjust it and then put it in the center there, and then come here, click on relative position, and then click on this. Good. Now it is perfectly centralized. Always don't forget to lock in your layers. Good. So let's change this one to white and see how it's going to look like. Good. Just to separate it. Okay, so let's increase the text size 70. Home for sale. Now I want to put the price of the house here. So all you want to do is click on this, copy it, edit, click on this one to delete whatever has been written there before, and then input your price. So write 200 million naira. Okay, so this is just a fictional price, so I beg. Then just adjust it, reduce the text size. The text size is 55, and change the color to dark blue, and then position it to the center. Good. 200 million. Okay, this is even 200,000. Let's just leave it like that. So this is 200,000 here, and now we are going to just increase details of what is so special about the house, this, that. So I want to click on plus text, and then I'll add in my text, and you can just put anything you want to put there, and any feature of the house. I'll copy the text and paste it to the group, so you can just copy it and then come and paste it in your work here. So this is the text. Now what I want to do is I want to click on color and change the color to white, and then the font is going to be Metropolis Regular. And then you come to align and change it to right alignment. This one, I think that's left alignment, and then reduce the text size to 25, 20. You're going to scroll here and then come to line spacing, and then increase the line spacing a bit. This is 6, and you can just adjust it and put it there. Good. So we're going to be copying this, and then we're going to input the remaining 4 details of the house there. So these are the remaining details of the house. You have 6 bedrooms, 2 living rooms, and all that stuff. So come back to align and then click on this opposite alignment here. Okay, so and then just adjust it and put it there. Come to this grid 2 here, then come to this to actually change the number of grids we have there. Change it to 23 by 23, and then click on this magnet tool and adjust. So this is the center line, and it wants the text to be 1 box away from each line. So this one is not close to this line enough, and this one is too far. So what we want to do is we want to adjust it. So this one we're going to bring it closer to the line, and this one we're going to take it further from the line. Good. And just bring it down a bit by 3 pixels. By 3 pixels. Good. So that is that. Now let's just reduce the text size a bit. 18 by 18. Just keep the negative space in check. Good, perfect. Now this is just the basic features of the house. So this is just basic design. Now what I want to do is we want to just add in the address down below here. So click on shapes. The same thing we did before, radius 10, color gold, and then bring it down here. Adjust centralize, and then copy one of it, delete, and write available in Aja. Aja, Lagos. I'm going to change the font to Metropolis Bold, and then change the color to dark blue. just adjust it and centralize it and bring it up a bit. So since this one is too big, what you're going to do is come to edit and then just adjust the size. Okay, it's too small now. Perfect. So now this is just the simple basic design. This is everything. What's next you want to do, you just want to add some jara. You want to put jara on top. You want to just add some designs that will make it look better and just adjust some few things. So adjust the text size here, bring it down a bit, bring the text down also a bit by 3 pixels, and then you can just come here, click on shapes, select a circle, make the stroke 5, come here and make the opacity 0, then change the color of the stroke to light gold and then reduce the size. Now you're good. Let's reduce the stroke size to about 3. Good. So you can just use that as minor decorations. Here you can copy it, you can put it here, you can copy it, you can put it here, just to add some minor decorations here and there. So that is how you can create a very simple, minimalist and easy real estate flyer design in Pixellab. So do replicate the design, and as I've said before, all the resources that you're going to be needing for this are going to be linked in the description below, so do check it out and create your own design. Bye.